In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Zoom meetings in Google Calendar. We'll walk through adding the official Zoom add-on to Google Calendar and then using it while you create an event, so your meeting link is generated right inside the invite. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Once the calendar loads, look toward the top right corner for the small gear icon. That opens your calendar settings menu. From that menu, choose Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can safely install tools that work directly with Calendar. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type Zoom. In the results, look for Zoom for Google Workspace. This is the official integration that lets Calendar talk to Zoom. Select it, review the description if you'd like, and click Install. You may be asked to pick your Google account and allow permissions. Go ahead and approve so the add-on can create Zoom conferencing details in your events. If your organization manages apps, you might also see an admin request. Follow your normal approval process. When the installation completes, return to Google Calendar. On the right side of the screen, you should now see the Zoom add-on in the side panel. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and it will appear. Now you're ready to create an event. Click Create near the top left of Calendar, then choose Event. That opens the standard event editor where you add your title, date and time, and guests. Here's the important part. Inside the event, find the video conferencing section. By default, it may show Google Meet. Click that drop-down and choose Zoom Meeting. If you see an Add Conferencing button instead, click it and select Zoom. As soon as you pick Zoom, the add-on generates a unique Zoom meeting link and embeds it in the event details. Guests you invite will receive that link with the calendar invitation, so they can join with a single click at the scheduled time. Tip: double-check your time zone and any recurring schedule before you finalize the details to ensure everyone gets the correct timing. From here, you can continue setting up the event just like any other meeting in Google Calendar, and you can switch back to Google Meet at any time using the same conferencing dropdown. And that's it. Your Zoom meetings are now seamlessly scheduled through Google Calendar.